Hello students. So today I am going to start a new chapter, that is derivatives. So you may have read this chapter in the class 11. So now I will recapitulate some of the formulas of this chapter which you have read in class 11. So at first let me write the formulas of some basic derivatives. Find the derivative of a constant. That is derivative, let the constant be c. So how to find the derivative? For finding the derivative we have to add ddx. The ddx of derivatives of constant function is always 0. This is the first formula. Then second, ddx of, let x to the power n. ddx of x to the power n is n x to the power n minus 1. I am taking here ddx because I am differentiating the function with respect to x. So I am taking ddx. I am taking here x. So this is when we have to find the derivative with respect to something, then you will write here d that. Then ddx of a to the power mx is m a to the power mx log a. Then ddx of e to the power mx is m e to the power mx. And the fifth one is ddx of log x. ddx of log x is 1 by x. So these are some basic formulas of derivative. So now I will discuss some basic rules for differentiation, which you will require mostly in the sums, for doing the sums. The first rule is ddx of some constant into some function, let u. So here it will be constant will be outside, then ddx of u. The constant will come outside and then you will differentiate the function u. Then the second rule is, say, ddx of constant into some u plus or minus constant into some v. V is a function and u is another function. Then it will the constant will be outside, as you have know here it is a constant will be outside, and then the ddx of u plus or minus the constant will be again outside, and then ddx of v. The constant will be outside and then differentiation will break like this. And then the third one, say, this is known as product rule. The third one is known as product rule. What is the product rule? Product rule is, let ddx of some u and v. The two function is multiplied and then we have to find the differentiation of that function. Then that this will be ddx of u into v. At first the function is u, so I will find the differentiation of that function first and v will be outside, then plus u will be outside and then the differentiation of the second function. This is the product rule for when there will be multiplication of two functions. And then the quotient rule. What is the quotient rule? Quotient rule is for the function, for the differentiation of two functions when the functions are divided. That is u by v. When the function is u by v, then when we have to find that differentiation, then we will break like this. U at first, u is on the top, so first we will find the ddx of u, v will be outside, then minus u will be outside and ddx of v, and below it will be v square, means the function which is below will be remain in the denominator and the functions will be squared. So this is the quotient rule and this is the product rule, and all these four rules you will require in most of the sums while doing the exercises. So now I will discuss the sums on the based on the formulas that I have given just now. So this is the first sum, 5 plus 5 to the power x plus 2 log x. So at first I have to take this one as a function, that is y. Let y equals to x to the power 5 plus 5 to the power x plus 2 log x. The whole thing I have to assume something. So let do the differentiation, that is dy by dx equals to, this will act as x to the power n. So for the x to the power n, the formula was n x to the power n minus 1, that is 5 minus 1. So here will be 5 will come down, 5 into x to the power 5 minus 1. So then it is 5 to the power x, which will act as a to the power x. The formula of a to the power x was a to the power x log of a base e. This was the formula for the differentiation of a to the power x. And then this is the third one is plus 2 log x. So 2 is the constant which will come outside while differentiating. So this will be 2, and log x, for log x the differentiation will be 1 by x. So I can simplify this as 5 x to the power 4 plus 5 to the power x log 5 base e plus 2 by x. So this is the derivative of this one. So this is the answer. Now the second sum. The second sum is root over 5x minus 5 by root over 5x plus 3. First I will take the whole thing assume as y. So y will be root over of 5x minus 5 by root over of 5x plus 3. So root over of 5x is, I can write it like this, 5x to the power half minus 5 into, then the root over of 5x is below, so I can write it like 5 into 5x to the power minus half, and write it half and minus half, and then 3 will be as it is. So now differentiating dy by dx, it will act as x to the power n. So for x to the power n, this one is constant, so it will come outside, that is root over of 5, and then x to the power half. X to the power half will act as the x to the power n. So for x to the power n, that is half into x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. Then minus 5 will be outside as it is constant, and then root over 1 by root over 5 is also a constant, so it will be outside. So 5 by root over of 5 will be outside, and here the minus half will come outside, so it will be plus, and it will be half into x to the power minus half minus 1, minus half minus 1, and 3 is constant, so its differentiation will be 0. So I can simplify it like root over of 5 by 2 and x to the power half minus 1, so it will be x to the power minus half. That means it will be root over of x, and it will be down as it is minus half, so it will be in the denominator. Now 5 by 2 root over of 5 and x to the power minus half minus 1, it will be minus 3 by 2. So it will be, as it is minus 3 by 2, it will be in the denominator, that is x to the power 3 by 2 plus 0 is 0. So now I can further simplify it like root over of 5 by 2 and root over of x plus, I can rationalize here, so it will be root over of 5 by 2 as multiplying numerator and denominator with root 5, it will be root 5 by 2, and then it will be x to the power 3 by 2. So taking root 5 by 2 common, cut. Taking root 5 by 2 common, I can write here 1 by root x plus 1 by x to the power 3 by 2. So this is the final answer of this sum, and now I will do the third sum, so please pause the video and note it down. So this is the third sum. The third sum tells that x square plus 1 by x. In this question I can apply the quotient rule which I have taught. So let me first take this as a y is equals to x square plus 1 by x. So this is the numerator and this is the denominator. It will act as u, this will be u and this will be v. So I just recapitulate the formula which I have told. The differentiation dy by dx is equals to, first the numerator, the differentiation will be of the numerator at first. So v will be outside, then du by dx, and then minus, the sign will be negative in the middle. Then I have to differentiate the v, that is the denominator, and u will be outside, so it will be u into dv by dx divided by v square. So now let me put this one, so v will be x x and then du by dx. So what will be the differentiation of this? This will be x square's differentiation is 2x, as it will be as x to the power n. So 2 will be outside and it will be 2 minus 1, that is 1. So it will be 2x and constant is 0, so it will be 2x only. And then u is x square plus 1, x square plus 1, and then differentiation of the differentiation of v will be x. X is x to the power 1, so it will act as the x to the power n. So x to the power 1, that is 1 will come outside, and x to the power 0 is 1. So it will be 1. And then v square is x, so it will be x square. Then so I can simplify it like 2x square minus x square minus 1 by x square. So this one will be x square will cut, so 2 minus 1 by x square, which is equals to 1 minus 1 by x square. This is the final answer of this sum, that is 1 minus 1 by x square. Then this is the fourth sum. Fourth sum tells us x square into 2 to the power 3x into log x base c. So I can apply here the product rule. Product rule, which I have taught. Product rule, the formula I have taught you. So let me first take it y is equals to x square into 2 to the power 3x into log x base e. This is into, not minus, so it is into. Then I will differentiate it as dy by dx. So I have taught you the product rule. Just recapitulate. At first the function that is in the first, so I will differentiate that, and the rest will be outside. So let's take it as u, this v, and this is w. So v into w, then du by dx, plus it will be plus in the middle, then v is in the middle, so this will differentiate v. So u into w, then dv by dx, plus w is in the right hand side, differentiation will be of w. So u into v into dw by dx. This is the formula of the product rule. This is the formula of the product rule. So now let me put the value of u, v and w, that is v into w. So v is 2 to the power 3x, into log x. Then du by dx, x square will be differentiation of x square will be 2x. As this is x square, so 2 will come down, and 2 minus 1 is 1, so it will be 2x. Then u into w is x square into log x. V is 2 to the power 3x. 2 to the power 3x will act as a to the power mx, which I have given the formula m into a to the power mx into log a. Log a is log 2. I'm writing it here, that is 3 into 2 to the power 3x into log 2. Then this one, u into u is x square into v is 2 to the power 3x, and then I have told you the differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So this one is the differentiation of this whole. So now I will simplify it by, let me take common, there is 2 to the power 3x and x. Let me take 2 to the power 3x into x common. Then it will remain 2 into log x base c, plus here 2 to the power 3x and x is common, so 1x will remain and it will log x base c plus 3 log 2. Plus, no, it will be into here, into 3 log 2. Then plus here x is 1x is cut, so x into 2 to the power 3x is there, so it will be 1. This is the final answer of this sum, of this fourth sum. So just pause the video and note it down. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and please, if you like this video, please press the like button, please comment in the comment section, and please share this video. And you must subscribe this channel and must press the bell icon to get all the notifications. Thank you.